was so nice, Shreyas. I must say, students are so enthusiastic. And for any teacher, it is a happy moment if she get very good students, especially who are very dedicated towards studies and they are very excellent listeners. I am very sure whatever words I have said, everything is recorded in their mind. I can see, I can feel that dedication. Everyone, not only speakers. Yes, few are very interactive speakers in our class. You will be listening all the day and telling their names again and again. But there are silent bombs also, I'm very sure. And the silent bombs are very destructive. Few students, sometimes only they are raising hand and giving correct answer. But they are observant, they are listening, that I can feel. And I'm very, very happy with this batch. And I expect on 22nd February evening, I will receive mail saying me that, ma'am, paper was so easy and we are so happy that Sanskrit paper was a super hit thing for us. Yes, no, students, show me thumbs up. Quickly send me thumbs up. If you believe my words, yes, I'm receiving thumbs ups. Very good. I know. Students are very nice. And even I want to thank Vyoma for this opportunity. And like team with you all was an excellent experience. And everything is so far distant. I am somewhere, you're somewhere. Then so many problems in technical things connecting with each other. But it was a new learning experience. And collaborative work is always what do you say, give encouragement to everyone. So individually you progress, but it is not a progress of your one person. If you want to grow socially, collaboration is very important. And I felt same warmth from Vyoma at every moment, whether it is Somya ma'am or Venkat sir, you yourself, Shreyas sir, Deepa ma'am, Nagashri ma'am, Maheshwari Bhagini, whoever it is, everyone in the team. I want to take everyone's name, but it is not possible. But it is like very good experience and collaboration. I always like and I'm looking forward because you also grow as a person and socially you grow together. That is the best thing which comes out of the collaboration. And Vyoma is always about the dedication, honesty, and after all, everything is Samskrita, right? We all get into that as a one. It's very nice. I'm getting compliments in the chat box also. And somebody who is MB, I guess, she's telling 100% attendance. Yes, I know. And tracking all of your attendance who are doing it every day. I know, I remember everyone's name, though few members only are speaking, but we are a team, right? Everyone matters. When Rama was building Setu, there was a squirrel who was taking the sand particles and helping in that Setu Nirmanam, right? We are all a team. Everyone has their equal contribution in building this course. Even the participant. Without student, there is no teacher. Teacher comes because there are students. So I really want to thank everyone who have joined in the course, taken part, encouraged me, and give me happy moments with all my dear students. So I'm really very, very fortunate to have you all and with working with Vyoma. So it's a fortunate moment. And I wish everyone all the best. And I want to see all my students giving 100% contribution in their exam and getting good marks.